Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare 4 OLED TV in this video. So let's go. Now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type OLED. Panel type LG C4 and 809W OLED, LG Z4W OLED MAL, S95D QD OLED. Display size LG C4 42, 48, 55, 65, 77, 83 inch, LG Z4 55, 65, 77, 83, 97 inch, S95D 55, 65, 77 inch, 809, 42, 48, 55, 65, 77 inch. Refresh rate 144 Hz. Display resolution 4K Ultra HD. Pixel density LG C4 53.4 ppi, LG Z4 45 ppi, S95D 57 ppi, 809 57 ppi. Display colors 1070 million. Bit deep 10 bit. Display brightness LG C4 1000 nits, LG Z4 3000 nits, S95D 1300 nits, 809 1300 nits. Response time 0.1 millisecond and 809 0.03 millisecond. Video processor LG C4 Alpha 9 Gen 7, LG Z4 Alpha 11, S95D NQ4 AI Gen 2, 809 P5 AI Gen 8. HDR formats LG C4 and LG Z4 HDR10 Hybrid Long Gamma Dolby Vision IQ, S95D HDR10 HDR10 Plus Adaptive Hybrid Long Gamma, 809 HDR10 HDR10 Plus Adaptive Hybrid Long Gamma Dolby Vision. Part 2 Connectivity. HDMI version HDMI 2.1, HDMI ports 4. Supports Wi-Fi LG C4 and S95D Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC, LG Z4 and 809 Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX, Bluetooth 5.2 and LG C4 5.0. USB ports 2 and S95D 3. Part 3 Audio. Speakers LG C4 40 watt 2.2, LG Z4 60 watt 4.2, S95D 70 watt 4.2.2, 809 2.1 70 watt. HDMI ARC and EARC yes. Dolby audio yes. Detach audio yes and S95D no. Stereo speakers yes. Subwoofer yes. Part 4 Design. Dimensions LG C4 72.9 into 43 into 11 inch, LG Z4 56.7 into 32.5 into 1 inch, S95D 67.6 into 38.7 into 0.4 inch, 809 23 into 122.5 into 77.3 cm. Weight LG C4 41.59 kg, LG Z4 46.5 kg, S95D 40.1 kg, 809 36.5 kg. Mounting hole pattern LG C4 300 into 200 mm, LG Z4 300 into 300 mm, S95D 200 into 200 mm, 809 400 into 300 mm. Maximum operating temperature 40 degrees Celsius and 809 35 degrees Celsius. Special features: LG C4 OLED Evo OLED EX brightness booster game optimizer dashboard, LG Z4 OLED Evo OLED EX heatsink brightness booster max game optimizer dashboard, zero gap design, S95D anti-grela coating on connect, game bar 4.0 object tracking sound, 809 3-side ambilight next gen, swayable stand height adjustable, 2024 remote with KY charging, detach play, wireless audio game bar. Tuners: LG C4 and Z4 attached 1.0 USA DVB T2 S2C Europe, S95D attached 3.0 USA DVB T2 S2C Europe, and 809 DVB T2 S2C Europe. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.